Welcome to 113 Wind Ridge, please come in and take a tour. Hard tiles blanket the flooring in the foyer that welcomes the visitors and ushers them to the living room. Virtually staged living room. Same picture as the previous one but without the virtual staging. Raised ceiling in the living room emphasizes the generous proportions of the room. The generous proportions of the room ensure furniture placement versatility. Wood-burning fireplace is the focal point in the living room as well as a source of warmth on chilly winter evenings. Cook's Delight Kitchen showcases a well-thought-out layout with a bevy of counter space and cabinets, as well as a breakfast bar for casual meals. Upgraded backsplash is attractive tumbled stone. View of the kitchen towards the dining area, hard tiles dress the flooring into the dining area. View of the dining area adjoining seamlessly to the kitchen, fostering family interaction. Raised ceiling in the dining area underscores the spacious feeling. Chair rail is a nice accent, and the large window is a natural light source as well as granting a view of the backyard. Virtually staged primary bedroom. Primary bathroom offers cultured marble-topped vanity with dual sinks, a soaking tub for relaxation, a separate shower enclosure, plus a spacious walk-in closet. Another view of the primary bathroom. Walk-in closet in the primary bathroom. Bedroom number 2 has plush carpeting, amply sized closet, and blinds dressed window. Bedroom number 3 also has plush carpeting, lighted ceiling fan, amply sized closet, and a full-length window overlooking the front yard. Hall bath services the 2 secondary bedrooms and offers cultured marble-topped vanity, tiled tub/shower combo surround and flooring. Bedroom number 4 could easily double as a study or formal dining room. It offers carpeted flooring, raised ceiling with lighted fan, and large window for natural lighting. This room is accessed from the foyer as well as the hallway to the laundry room. The hallway linking the 2 minor bedrooms houses a linen cabinet with clothes hamper. Another view of the back of the home. View of the covered patio. Please note that the back of the home faces east, thus the afternoons are more shaded, a welcomed feature in Texas summers. View of the large, totally level backyard, lots of room for little ones and fur babies to roam.